Using Hostwinds for web hosting is straightforward and efficient, ideal for both beginners and experienced users. Here's a guide to help you get started. Sign up for a hosting plan. Visit the Hostwinds website and explore the hosting options available, such as shared hosting, VPS, or dedicated servers. Choose the plan that best fits your needs and click on Get Started. Register a domain. During the sign-up process, you can register a new domain or use an existing one. Follow the prompts to complete your domain registration. Access the client area. After signing up, log into your Hostwinds client area using your account credentials. This area allows you to manage your hosting services. Set up your website. Use a cPanel or Plesk to install applications like WordPress. Find the Softaculous Apps installer to quickly set up WordPress or other CMS platforms. Manage your account. In the client area, you can manage billing, domain settings, and support tickets. Utilize the knowledge base for guides and troubleshooting. Utilize support resources. If you encounter issues, Hostwinds offers 24/7 customer support through live chat, phone, and email.